Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can open a Pandora bracelet. In order to open a Pandora bracelet, there are different methods. I'm going to be showing you one of the easiest methods on how you can actually open a Pandora bracelet. In order to do so, make sure to stick with us till the end of this video. I'll be showing the method on how you can actually open the bracelet with your finger. So what you'll need to do is you need to hold the bracelet in your hands. After that, you need to rotate the clasp until the groove on it faces upward or towards you. So basically what you need to do is you need to turn the clasp with your finger. As you rotate it, you'll be able to see a vertical line running end to the end of the loop. So this is actually the clasp opening alongside the loop. Now according to the bracelet that you have, so then the line or the method of opening a bracelet may differ. Make sure to check what kind of bracelet that you have. And likewise, Pandora also has a variety of bracelet. You simply need to press on the bottom of the clasp and on the side of the bracelet. Step number 2, you need to insert your finger into the groove. First of all, you need to slide your thumbnail and followed by other finger if you can fit it. So easiest way to do is with both of your thumbnails. Now keep the thumb in such a position that both the nails can touch the back of it. So press on the breast side of the clasp with your other fingers or the side of your fingers or your body. Once you've got accustomed with opening the bracelet, you may be able to do it with your single nail, starting with 2 nails in easier. On the step number 3, you need to pry the slide apart until the clasp open. Push both of your nails outward to separate the end of the clasp. Apply gentle firm of pressure and then this clasp will soon pops up so you can open or remove a bracelet. In order to keep the charms secure, the clasp may be a little stiff and difficult to open. Apply more force to leverage it without the use of additional tool. Once again, if you have a trouble opening the clasp, adjust your grip and try again. Most clasps pops up without much trouble. You may need to get a clasp opener to remove a stuck clasp. Now lift the rod of the clasp to free the end of the bracelet and move it out of the clasp to finish opening the bracelet. So this was the method on how you can open a bracelet of your Pandora. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.